My name's Katie.
Hey guys, my name's Ava.
And we are the BB Sisters, and today we will be making butter slime. Okay guys, so if you guys can see, we have our glorious new background, which is a born pink lava. Okay, but anyways, first thing that we need is some Elmer's glue. We're using white glue. Our clear glue is over in our slime covers. But for today, we're using our white glue. Okay, and now I'm going to pour in Ava's because it's heavy for me, so it would obviously be heavy for her then. Ugh. Oh yeah, guys, and we also have a different table in here. So let's add our water. I was gonna say let's mix, but like I don't want to mix right away. Okay, that was a lot of water, but I can. Guys, she's like,
Cause I'm like, stop. Cause in the first video, I added like
kind of too much.
way too much water. It was like the whole, almost half of the bowl was filled with water, and I was like,
I don't know if mine's gonna be jiggly slime, but that'll be interesting, like a jiggly slime. To be
ooh, mine's gonna turn out good.
I feel like I don't know if mine will be a jiggly slime, and that makes me scared. Okay, guys, so now we're going to add our dye. Choose what color you want. Dye is over there, right there.
I want pink.
I think that I want blue, guys, because this is our third video and I have not added blue. Oh yeah,
I didn't add pink.
I haven't added blue and you haven't added pink.
And you added green and I had purple.
Yeah.
In our first video,
And then for our second, guys, I can't even tell you how
wait,
beautiful
look
this
at
color
it.
is.
Look how beautiful I did it.
Guys, that's the color that I used for yesterday's video. Because this is our third video. I don't know if I already said that, but... Okay, guys, mine's a super light blue, and I love this color.
I need to be a dark pink. Cousin.
Okay, guys, but I don't know if I'm going to add more. One more drop, because I only added one drop, but there. One last drop, and I'll take
It's
that.
like our slime that we gave to Eva. It's like our slime that we gave.
Okay, guys, so now, if we want, we can add glitter. Because, like, glitter makes everything perfect. Glitter just makes everything perfect. Choose your color.
Oh, I didn't.
She didn't mix hers, and she's like, oh, I just noticed that I didn't mix my dye in. Hers is like a reddish color.
It's like a nice pink. Wait, this is like the slime that we did on our first video we did before. It was like our pink slime like got in my hair and it got in my hair.
Okay, guys, so
And
we did
our
a video when we were super little, and it was on my birthday when I got a bunch of like stuff for slime. Oh yeah, guys, and by the way, I'm using blue glitter. But back to my story. I was dumping in the glue, and Ava was next to me, and then all the things knocked down, and it hit Ava, and then it hit me, and then I hit Ava, and then I accidentally spilled the glue on Ava's hair. And, like, all her hair was, like, covered in glue, and it was so hard to get it out.
My mom was like, ah, Katie! And Katie was like, but I didn't mean to. And Katie was like 7. And I was probably like 4.
I think that I was turning 6.
Yeah,
I don't know, though.
no, you're turning 7.
7?
Yeah, you were turning 7.
Maybe it was when I was turning
I remember that
I would have been 4.
yeah, I was 4.
Now he was 5 and now I'm 8. Not that much of a difference, a year of a difference, but
I need to open this clay.
you're already adding your clay. Are you gonna add any glitter?
Oh,
You can choose if you want.
I want my purple glitter.
Oh yeah, guys, and also there's
Oh, look thought right when I opened it. Oh, glitter! Like, look, you guys.
Hey
Right
guys,
when I
so
opened.
we just want to let you know that also Elmer's glue works best because some of the other glues that you can also buy, like you're like, oh, it's glue, amazing, I can make slime. If I add it to your plate, and you're always like, oh, amazing, guys. My garbage just fell. Luckily, there was nothing in it.
Katie, now I need my second.
Okay, so I'm just gonna put it there. But
Oh, I opened my second one myself.
no. Okay, guys, so we also have like this reddish color over there.
Oh,
I don't know,
my.
it's like a reddish
This
orange.
is really strange, this clay.
This clay is not magic model, but I don't think like you need to add magic model. You don't need to, but you can. Daiso and magic model are the ones that work the best. We just, I don't know what kind it's called. I would have to check on the package. Okay, so this is how the clay is though that we use. It's like, it already feels like a butter slime and it feels so amazing. Here, so Ava already added both of hers and I'm trying to open mine.
get
That's
mine
actually hard,
out.
guys.
I'm trying to get my second clay out. Katie
Okay.
added my first clay.
Yeah, I added her first and she added my second.
Oh.
I like him how when you first get it out of the package, it's like sizzles in your hands. It's weird. It's a weird feeling. It's kind of like it actually sizzles, like. And it makes the noise
Hear
like
the
popcorn
sound.
popping. It's weird. Okay, guys. Here it is right now. Guys, this clay doesn't mix in. Like, if you add the clay to the glue, then it's like it doesn't mix in. And it's just a really weird, like, look at that.
Katie,
It looks so weird.
Katie,
Okay, guys, so now we're going to add our activator, which is also clear tied again, like our two other videos. I will take that for you because I think that's as much as we're going to get. And here I will add our clear tide, which is our
Katie, you
activator.
got some on the table.
Oopsies.
It's like dripping all the way. Like there.
Quick.
Mix.
Ava, this should be enough for you to take it out.
I saw you.
Okay, no. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go in with my hands. Ava, I think that you should go in with your hands now. Let's just mix with our hands, guys.
I am still mixing this.
I think that you should mix with your hands.
No. Oh.
Because you got to get messy for some fun.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so I'm taking mine out now.
Okay, now I'm
Take
going
yours out,
to
Ava.
play. No.
We're going to take it out so that we can play with it on the table.
No.
Because
Literally.
oh my gosh, guys, I'm so sorry. I don't want to block you guys. So I'm just going to put that down there. Guys, look at the table. Luckily, this table will not like get slime all seep through it.
Whoa. Good thing you didn't say put it on the table, because look at.
Guys, we used to have a butter slime like this, and we called it Ocean, but we mixed it in and we made a slime smoothie. It was amazing.
Remember we had another butter blue slime, and we gave it to Eva.
Okay, Eva, so take yours out now. Oh my gosh. When you said it was melted, you meant it. Guys, I'm so sorry if mine turns purple now, but like, it's gonna happen.
Okay.
Well, it might happen, and I'll be so sad.
This
if it does.
table is going. Wait, Katie, this is a new table. Oh no.
Okay, guys. Oh yeah, and if we can try to get up to 1,000 subscribers, that would be great. But now it is time to say goodbye.